Welcome back to Trend Cars, the channel where luxury, innovation, and automotive passion meet. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us as we dive deep into the most extraordinary machines shaping the future of mobility. Today we're stepping into a world that no one thought was possible, a combination of hypercar performance and motorhome luxury that challenges every expectation. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and it may just be the most extravagant and powerful recreational vehicle ever imagined. Bugatti has always been a name that defines speed, exclusivity, and groundbreaking engineering. From the legendary Veyron to the record-shattering Chiron and the elegant Tourbillon, Bugatti has always lived in a world where luxury meets unmatched performance. But in 2026, they've expanded that philosophy into something truly unique. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't just a vehicle for travel, it's a rolling palace with the heart of a hypercar. At first glance, the exterior is unmistakably Bugatti. The design language carries the brand's DNA with a bold horseshoe grille up front, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and a stance that seems to blend the proportions of a motorhome with the sleek aggression of a supercar. Carbon fiber panels, active aerodynamics, and LED lighting signatures make it feel like a moving piece of art rather than a simple RV. Every curve has been designed not just for aesthetics but for airflow and efficiency, because Bugatti refuses to compromise, even in a segment as unexpected as motorhomes. Underneath all this beauty lies sheer power. The Bugatti Motorhome is rumored to be powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a quad-turbocharged W16 engine with advanced electric motors. The combined output pushes well over 1,800 horsepower, making this the fastest motorhome in the world, capable of hitting speeds most sports cars only dream of. Of course, top speed isn't the focus here, but knowing Bugatti, performance is never far from the equation. Advanced suspension systems, torque vectoring all-wheel drive, and adaptive ride height ensure that despite its massive size, the Bugatti Motorhome drives with a smoothness and agility unheard of in the RV world. Step inside, and you enter an entirely different reality. The interior is a fusion of French luxury craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Think of it as a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The living space is adorned with hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum accents, and carbon fiber details. Massive panoramic windows bring in natural light, while smart tinting technology allows for privacy at the touch of a button. The lounge area feels like a high-end private jet cabin, with reclining leather seats that double as massage chairs, a large OLED display for entertainment, and a sound system engineered by Bugatti's audio partners to provide an immersive experience while traveling. Ambient lighting runs through the cabin, customizable to your mood, whether you want a relaxing blue glow for evening cruising or a vibrant setting for entertaining guests. Moving further in, the Bugatti Motorhome offers a full gourmet kitchen fitted with the latest appliances. Everything is designed to be both beautiful and functional, from induction cooktops and smart refrigerators to automated storage that secures items during travel. The dining area extends outward thanks to motorized slide-outs, creating a spacious environment when parked. And then there's the bedroom, which rivals the best luxury hotels. A king-sized bed with memory foam, climate-controlled sleeping environment, and a skylight above for stargazing makes every night feel special. The bathroom continues this theme with rainfall showers, marble-inspired finishes, and touchless controls for everything from water flow to lighting. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. A central AI system controls climate, navigation, entertainment, and even security. Voice commands are a Bugatti-designed smart device allow you to manage everything effortlessly. Autonomous driving modes are also included, meaning the Bugatti Motorhome can pilot itself on highways while passengers relax in complete comfort. Bugatti hasn't forgotten exclusivity either. Each motorhome is expected to be a limited production masterpiece, tailored to the specific tastes of its owner. Custom paint finishes, unique interior trims, and even personalized insignias ensure that no two Bugatti motorhomes are alike. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of individuality and success. Practicality also plays its role. The motorhome includes state-of-the-art solar panels integrated into the roof for sustainable energy, a powerful battery pack for off-grid living, and advanced water recycling systems for longer adventures. Even while embracing luxury, Bugatti has managed to infuse a degree of eco-conscious engineering into this masterpiece, proving that sustainability and opulence can coexist. The experience of traveling in a Bugatti motorhome is about redefining what mobility means. For most people, a motorhome is a tool for travel and exploration. But in Bugatti's hands, it becomes a moving sanctuary, a place where speed, style, and comfort meet in ways never thought possible. Imagine pulling up to a remote cliffside or a coastal retreat in something that carries the prestige of Bugatti, unfolding into a home that feels like a palace. That's not just travel, that's an experience that changes the way you see the world. Of course, exclusivity comes at a cost. The Bugatti motorhome is expected to carry a price tag in the tens of millions, putting it well beyond the reach of most. But then again, Bugatti has never built cars for everyone. They build them for the few who demand the absolute best, no matter the cost. This motorhome will be no different, serving as a symbol of ultimate luxury and performance combined in a way no other manufacturer has ever dared. As we think about the future of transportation, Bugatti's bold step into the motorhome world reminds us that innovation isn't just about speed records or horsepower. It's about creating new possibilities and redefining how we experience mobility. The 2026 Bugatti motorhome may not be for everyone, but it represents the limitless imagination of automotive engineering, where boundaries don't exist, and the only limit is how far your vision can go. This is not just a motorhome. It's a hyper-luxury experience on wheels, a rolling masterpiece that blends the DNA of one of the most prestigious automotive brands with the freedom of exploration. The 2026 Bugatti motorhome proves that the future of travel is not only about getting from one place to another but about making the journey itself the pinnacle of luxury. Thank you for watching Trend Cars, where we explore the finest vehicles shaping tomorrow. If you enjoyed this look at the Bugatti motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss more incredible automotive stories. Until next time, keep driving your dreams.